Hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. It is wonderful to have you guys here again as always. Today in this video we're going to be taking Nigel out and putting a road tune on him, a bass tune basically. Oh, that's what I've got to get. So for those that are unfamiliar with this car, this is Nigel. So he's been called. This is the little v6 that we sprayed on the dyno. So here's a friend of mine's car, and I've spent the last couple of weeks designing and fitting a little turbo kit for it that I am going to be selling on as a part of my business. So I wanted to give you guys a quick rundown on him before we go and go out and put a bit of a road tune on him, make sure he's doing everything that he needs to do. But yeah, anyway, this is it. This is the kit. So it comes with the turbo manifolds to suit the chassis, the eBay turbo or a pulsar depending on which particular kit you purchase, the downpipe with the O2 bungs in it, the intercooler piping all fabbed up to the car, all the silicone joiners and clamps that you need for that. Be it either to fit the stock airflow meter or an aftermarket ECU if you're running one of those, and a intercooler that is in the front there. Oh, sorry, and a wastegate. So you'll be able to message me, jump on the website and grab yourself one of these kits. Oh, sorry. It also comes with a reverse plenum on an exchange basis only. But yeah, it's good for, with the eBay turbo, it's good for around sort of 450 wheel. I've designed it around stock bottom end L36. So those people that are sort of new to turbocharging their Commodores and they just want to, you know, put a bit of pep in its step and, you know, make sort of around the 400 wheel sort of mark. It is enough to rod one of these engines out of it, and if you opt it with the pulsar turbo on an L67 bottom end, it would be a pretty stout little combo. Anyway, I've gone and done this as a drive-in, drive-out sort of deal for John, and used it to manufacture and sort of pattern this kit, I guess you could say, so that I can then sell it on to you guys. But my goal for today is, I've just gotten it back running and driving again. Did head studs in it and a few other bits and pieces. It is running on E85, so I need to go out and put a bit of a bass tune on it and just make sure that it's doing everything that it needs to do. Then John can come and take it. Oh, excuse me, just had lunch. John can come and take it for a few weeks, go and drive it and do whatever he wants to do in it, at which point we will then stick it on a dyno and actually put a proper tune in it. It does relocate the battery. I know it's a bit of controversy for some people, but it's not very hard to make the battery disappear there. Literally, I think John spent 200 bucks on a battery box and some 0 gauge cable, and we were able to relocate the battery. If you don't want to buy it and relocate the battery, I'm still very happy to just sell the turbo manifolds, downpipe, turbo and wastegate, and then you can source the rest of it. But message me for custom orders like that, I guess. Yeah, anyway, I need to go and put a bit of fuel in this. I have taken it for a quick spin to see how it goes. I know it's too rich, so I've got to pull a bit of fuel out of the base map. But yeah, other than that, I'm going to go and put some fuel in it, and then I will see you guys out on the road. Alright, so a few things have happened already. One is this radiator's not sealing very well. Two, he's a bit fat, but can can deal with that later. But 3 years trans is a bit slippy, but he makes all the right noises. Definitely sounds pretty cool. He doesn't go too bad either. Not much point in me leaning that tune out though until we sort the rest of it out, really. But yeah, it's not too happy about 17 pounds of boost. It's a little bit more than I wanted to have in it, but that's just gate pressure. I do have a boost controller here, but I'm not going to need it. We actually need to respring that gate, so it's a bit softer. One, so the trans will be happy about it, but 2, so we can control it up to that 17, 18 pounds ish. Come on, lights. Yeah, definitely make all the right noises. I've got a bit of a time limit as well because it looks like there's a big storm coming over. Yeah, he definitely doesn't like the gear down a bit. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna take him home. If he had an aftermarket ECU, I'd review the log, but he doesn't. I can't log it. I'll leave him fat and happy for now, especially at 17 pounds. Oh, what are you doing, guy? I think John's gonna probably put a radiator in him, and we'll respring the gate. We'll go from there. Alright, I'll see you guys when we get home. Alright, well, Nigel. So Nigel's doing Nigel-y things, eh? It was short-lived. Trans are slippy. I mean, to be fair, 17 pounds of boost through a stock auto and this cute little responsible turbo making all the horse torques, it's probably a bit much for it. But also we have some sort of radiator cappage issue. A bit scared. He yeah, calm down. So either this cap's not sealing, which I find hard to believe. I literally just brought it this morning. Stranger things have happened though, or this radiator's not working very well. In any case, John has ordered a new radiator. He'll fit that up. We'll turn the boost down by respringing it. So I'll pull the gate off. Obviously, another day when it's all nice and cool, we'll shove a different spring in it so that it doesn't make all of the boost. Put a bit of radiator cap on him. Then we might stick him on the dyno and see what he makes. Anyway, that's about it from me in this video. Tomorrow I'm going to go and start on Daz's exhaust and getting him all finished. But yeah, if you're in the market for a turbo V6 kit, jump over to the Facebook page and shoot me a message. If you need any sort of fab work done, i.e. intercooler, piping, downpipe, that sort of thing, also jump onto the Facebook page or the website. The link is in the description for the website if you want to head over there. I'm going to try and get these kits, turbo manifolds, and even these t-shirts up on there as soon as possible. If they're not on there yet, just keep checking, as I will be trying to work to get them up during the week and or weekend. I'm pretty happy with the way Nigel's gone for now. We just have a few teething issues that we need to sort out. I did tell John that he could just tone it down, but he's not happy with that. Anyway, that is a future me problem. Tell me what you think about the resplendent red rocker covers, because they're not really my thing. I'm not a fan of them. Anyway, that's going to be it from me in this video, guys. I want to thank you all for watching. Please leave your likes and comments down below. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next one, where we do more turbo V6 things on my utility though. Alright, I'll see you then. Bye bye.